I serve as a liaison between DHS Science and Technology and the U.S. Secret Service. Can DHS bring in a number of vendors into one location so Secret Service members and other components of DHS could come out and look technologies in one spot? Members of the Secret Service community reach out to me with ideas and requests, whether it's looking at new technologies, conducting research and development, or test and evaluation. And then I take those ideas to Science and Technology Directorate and find ways to implement them to research. They're always looking for opportunities to review the commercially available technologies and see what would fit their mission and their operational parameters.
My responsibilities within FPS is to manage our suite of technology solutions that we use for securing federal facilities across the country. We utilize the technology to ensure that weapons and other prohibited items don't enter the facility, utilizing X-ray machines, walk-through metal detectors, explosive rate detection, those types of things. And we do that 24/7, 365. We do it for over 66 different departments and agencies. So this is a great opportunity for me. I'm very thankful for S&T to host something like this. Something like this is invaluable to me and my team to be able to inform the decisions that we make down the road.
At S&T, we understand that addressing the decisions down the road requires an urgency to move at the speed of mission. This showcase translates how partnering with industry on RDT&E, and that's research, development, testing, and evaluation, helps to provide technologies needed to support the workforce and to inform the acquisition decisions that happen down the road, including any requests for information that might come in later. Think of S&T as an integrator that ensures tech is proven to meet operational demands, resulting in impacts that enhance security and save lives.